Hi, this is Joe from the Math Perimeter. In this video, we will use Taylor series to evaluate the limit as x approaches 0 of 1 minus cosine of x all over x squared. To begin, we substitute in the Taylor series for cosine. This gives the limit as x approaches 0 of 1 minus the summation from n equals 0 to infinity of minus 1 divided x divided 2n over 2n factorial over x squared. Stripping out the first term of the series then gives the limit as x approaches 0 of 1 minus 1 plus the summation from n equals 1 to infinity of negative 1 divided x divided 2n over 2n factorial all over x squared. Subtracting gives the limit as x approaches 0 of minus the summation from n equals 1 to infinity of negative 1 divided x divided 2n over 2n factorial all over x squared. Rewriting x squared using negative exponents, we obtain the limit as x approaches 0 of minus x to the negative 2 times the summation from n equals 1 to infinity of negative 1 to the n x to the 2n over 2n factorial. Using limit properties, we obtain negative limit as x approaches 0 of x to the negative 2 times the summation from n equals 1 to infinity of negative 1 divided x to the 2n all over 2n factorial. Distributing the x to the negative 2 gives negative limit as x approaches 0 of the summation from n equals 1 to infinity of negative 1 divided x to the 2n minus 2 over 2n factorial. Expanding the series gives negative limit as x approaches 0 of minus 1/2 plus 1 over 24x squared minus 1 over 720x to the 4th plus ... Taking the limit then gives minus negative 1/2. Multiplying, we arrive at a final answer of 1/2. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.